How can other developer tools benefit from VS Code? The central editing surface of VS Code, called the Monaco editor, is already reusable. So if you're a developer tool based on web technologies, you can already reuse and use our Monaco editor. Apart from this, think about editors and IDEs in general. If they have to implement programming language support, they have to think of features like, say, auto-completion, documentation on hover, navigation like go to definition. Traditionally, each of these tools will have to implement this for each of the languages separately. Each of the tools have different APIs. So say you have M tools and N languages, it's an M cross N effort here. But with the new language server protocol that is in place, and with the concept of language servers, you just have to do this M plus N times. The N, meaning for the languages, say there are N languages and you have N language servers supported. Say the M editors have already know how to integrate with language servers using the language server protocol. Then it's an easy mix. Create the language servers and use it in each editor. This way, we can reuse the efforts of a few people working on the languages and then give the benefits to all the editors out there who are willing to support this. For example, today, both VS Code and Atom support the use of language server protocol.